Hello everyone. So welcome to my next video on some features of Python. Now let us understand in this video why Python is called as a general purpose language. So all over internet you might be heard about these features. In my last video I have explained you why Python is called as a dynamically typed language. And in my today's small video I will be explaining you why Python is called as a general purpose language. So all over the internet, you will get this information about these properties that Python is called as a general purpose language, but why we call Python as a general purpose language is found less. So quickly, let's dwell into this. First, let us understand what is a general purpose language. So a general purpose language is a programming language that can be used to develop a wide variety of software applications. If we are able to create different software applications through a single programming language, we can say that that language is a general purpose language. It is designed to be flexible and adaptable to different domains and industries. There are some key features of Python language. That is why this Python language is in a boom nowadays in the technology. The first thing is it is simple and it is easy to read. Python emphasizes on simplicity and readability when its clean syntax and intuitive language construct. So the syntax of Python are very clean, that is, they are not very complex to write and read. Its code is easier to understand and maintain. Yes, it is very easy to write a code for a Python. Also, to make changes in the code is also very easy. So the maintenance of Python code is easy, making it a beginner friendly and also suitable for rapid development language. Python also have a multi-paradigm language. It is called as a multi-paradigm language. Now, what do you mean by a multi-paradigm language? So Python supports multiple programming paradigms, including procedure-oriented, object-oriented, and functional programming. The developers can choose the best paradigm for their project, whatever type of project they are working on, leading to flexible and modular code development. The next feature of Python is its comprehensive standard library. So, Python provides an extensive standard library that includes built-in modules and packages. These libraries offer a wide range of functionalities, reducing the need for external dependency and speeding up the development. So, due to the versatility of the Python language, there are various features of Python why we call a Python as a versatile language. So Python can be used for web development. Python frameworks like Django and Flask empower developers to create robust and scalable web applications. Its ease of use combined with libraries like Beautiful Soup and Request enables web scraping and interacting with APIs. Python is also used for data analysis and machine learning. Python, along with libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, and SciPy, has become a leading choice for data analysis and scientific computing. Popular machine learning frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch are built using Python, making it a go-to language for AI projects. So not only web development, data analysis, and machine learning, Python is also used for automation and scripting. Python's simplicity and cross-platform availability make it an ideal choice for automation and scripting tasks. Its scripting capabilities enable the efficient automation of repetitive tasks and system administration. Applications, softwares, or companies that utilize Python as a general purpose language. So there are many various applications, there are various softwares nowadays that are coming, and there are various companies that are working on Python language, and that is why we call Python as a general purpose language. Python is widely used across various industries and applications due to its simplicity, versatility, and robust libraries. Here below, I will be giving you some notable applications, softwares, and companies that utilize Python as a general purpose language. First, for web development, Django and Flask is used. So Python's web frameworks like Django and Flask are popular for building scalable and robust web applications. Some examples of these types of applications are Instagram, which uses Django for managing its web application. Pinterest uses Django to help manage its user interface and backend system. Data science and machine learning applications like Pandas, NumPy, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, PyTorch. These libraries and frameworks have made Python a go-to language for data science and machine learning. Some companies or some softwares which are using it for data science and machine learning is Netflix. It uses Python for data analysis and visualization. Spotify employs Python for backend services and data analysis to enhance user experience through recommendations and playlists. Airbnb utilizes Python for its data science infrastructure to manage and analyze large data sets for better customer insights. Python is also used by various softwares and applications for automation and scripting. Python's simplicity makes it ideal for all these scripting and automation tasks. The very known example is Google, which uses Python extensively for system administration tasks and for managing the Google search engine's code base. NASA also utilizes Python for scripting tasks and in various projects like NASA's workflow automation system. Python is also called as a general purpose language because it is also used for web scraping. Beautiful Soup and Scrapy. Python's libraries are popular for web scraping and data extraction from websites. Like Scrapping Hub, it is a company that builds and provides web scraping services using Python's Scrapy framework. Python is called as a general purpose language because it is also used for game development. So Python is also used in the development of video games. EVE Online is one of the companies which utilizes a combination of Python and other languages for its game backend and server-side operations. Civilization 4, the game used Python for scripting and game logic implementation. Not only for game development, Python is also used for education and research. Python's ease of learning makes it a popular choice in academic and research settings. Jupyter Notebooks are widely used in academia and industry for data analysis, visualizations, and educational purposes. So, Python is called as a general purpose language because it is used for enterprise software also. So, you can see why we call Python as a general purpose language. So, some example is Dropbox, which uses Python for both server-side and client-side applications to manage its cloud storage and services. Reddit, which is built on Python and continues to use it for web development and backend services. So Python has not even left any single domain nowadays. It is used in healthcare and bioinformatics also for data analysis and research purposes. The Human Genome Project, which utilizes Python for data analysis and processing of genomic data. It is used for artificial intelligence and natural language processing also. Python's libraries like NLTK and SparseVy are used for NLP tasks. OpenAI, which utilizes Python for research and development of AI models, including GPT-3. So these examples illustrate the broad applicability and powerful capabilities of Python in various domains, from web development to data science and automation to game development, etc. So, in conclusion, in the last of this video, Python's versatility and extensive formalities make it powerful general purpose language. Its simplicity, strong community support, and wide adoption contribute to its growing popularity. Exploring Python for various domains equips developers with skills to tackle diverse projects effectively. Thank you for watching this tutorial on why Python is called as a general purpose language. I hope you now have a better understanding of Python's diverse applications and usages. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel, and this is the link to go to this is the handle of my YouTube channel, Simplified Technology by Khushbu. Thank you so much. I hope you have a better understandability of this concept why Python is called as a general purpose language. Thank you.